Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos directly to your iPhone for offline viewing. This is perfect when you're traveling or when you don't have access to the internet. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone now. Search for the video you want to download. Once you find it, tap on the video to open it. Look just below the video player, you'll see a download button. Tap it. You'll be asked to choose a video quality. Select the quality you prefer. That in mind, once you've selected the quality, tap download to confirm. The video will now start downloading and will be saved inside the YouTube app for offline viewing to watch it later. You'll find all your saved videos there, and here's a quick tip: if you're having issues downloading videos, clear the YouTube app cache or make sure you're signed in with an active YouTube Premium account. The download feature only works with YouTube Premium. That's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite videos anywhere, anytime, even without internet. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.